Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Siddharpeetham Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am speaking about the Shaktipath Yoga presented in Tirumandaram. Tirumandaram is a Shiva Agama book, text, classical work written by Tirumular. He has written this Shaivite Agama book. It remains as a classic grammar book for the Shaivites. And different kinds of Shiva Agama yogas are also explained in this book. But it also deals with the Shaktipath Yoga. There are 9 chapters in Tirumandram. The third chapter deals with the Shiva Agama yogas of different types. The different names are available: Chandra Yoga, Kesari Yoga, Amuridharana, Sarira Siddhi Ubayam, Ashtanga Yoga. Different kinds of yogas are there. These are unique in this Agama tradition. These are promoted by Tirumula, and later on they were promoted by his disciples. But the chapter 4 deals with the Shaktipath Yoga, and this is in detail, and even many of the Shakti devotees follow this book as their guide book. Such things are available. So, I want to tell some of the important points available in Tirumandaram regarding Shaktipath Yoga. Following this book as the practical book, I am conducting classes in Shaktipath Yoga also. Here now he explains in hymn 1090. உரைத்த நவசக்தி ஒன்று முடிய நிறைத்த ராசி நெறிமுறை எண்ணி பிறை சாதம் எட்டும் முன்பேசிய நந்தி நினைத்து நியதி நியமம் செய்தானே. In this hymn, he explains that if you do Shaktipath Yoga, that is observing Shakti as energy and channelizing in your Sushumna Nadi and let it flow into your Sahasrara, then Manonmani will enshrine in your Sahasrara, Manonmani. And she is the spouse or female consort of Sadasiva. She will enshrine on your Sahasrara lotus, and 8 Devis will be around her. They are in charge of 64 odd forms. And in the next row, the Chandra Kalas are 16 in number, 16 types. These 16 these Chandra Kalas are divided into 2. There's 8 petals, 8 Kalas working in the physical body and 8 Kalas working in the astral body. So they will also surround the 8 Devis. In one round 8 and the second round another 8. In this format, the energy level will be formed in your Sahasrara. That is explained here. You can worship Devi in idol. That is level 1, Sarya. And you can worship in Indras, Mahamerus, etc. But this is a subtle form of worship. You can enshrine the energy in your Adharas. You can enshrine the energy in your Sahasrara. Taking the energy through Sushumna Nadi, when it reaches Sahasrara, the Manonmani, one form of the Shakti, one combination. These are combinations, different combinations. In Mooladhara, she is in the infant form. When she rises from one chakra to another, she grows up. And when she reaches Sahasrara, she reaches full form. Then this chakra, Sri Chakra, is also formed in the Guru Mandala. So this is an energy elevation, this energy conversion from one stage to stage. Shaktipath means you got Shakti means energy. Path means passage. You have to take it up through this passage called Susumna, and when it reaches each and another Adhara, it gets converted in the higher consciousness. It expresses in the form of avasas. Jagra Supra Susupti Durya Duryadida, and you have to reach Duryadida into Duryadida. So the energy combinations, when it is in Mooladhara, it creates, and it is called the spouse of Brahma. When it is in the Swadhisthana, she is a spouse of Vishnu, and she is handling this monetary power. The Rudran is a counterpart of Rudra. She destroys negative energy. Maheshwari is the female counter of Maheshwara. She can give you mind reading power if you take that energy and worship that energy from there. Manonmani is a spouse of Sadasiva. Now she is ancient universe, Sahasrara, and this energy format is formed. Now, in next hymn, 1091, he explains that she is in Susumna Nadi, and she is the Kundalini. The energy present in Mooladhara in the infant form takes the Mooladhara Agni present in the Surya Mandala and reaches it to Sahasrara and forms it into a light. The heat and light available in Mooladhara will be taken to Sahasrara and it will be converted to light and coolness. That is Prasada Kala. This is what we call the Chandra Kala's shine. The Chandra Kala's no heat is there. So it gives a light and coolness, patience. This conversion is done by Parasati. She enables you to take this and transfer the energy to your Sahasrara and make it shine there. She is present as Kundalini Devi and she is in the Susumna Nadi. So what happens is, what is the Susumna Nadi? Many persons know the Susumna Nadi, they think that it starts from Mooladhara to Sahasrara. No, it is an infinite Nadi with no top and no bottom. It goes upward. And above head only Guru Mandala is there, Niradhara is Paramana, it is going. And below Mooladhara also it goes. And the Adala, Vidala, Dharadala, Mahadala, such negative wells are there below Mooladhara. If you don't block the energy and send it upward, it will drip to Mooladhara below chakras and negative emotions will be there. So you should safeguard it again this going down by using mantras and bandhas. Using Moola bandha will be very useful to block the energy and send it upward. There are some secrets in this that can be explained only in the practical session. So in Susumna, it is an infinite Nadi and it is not a single Nadi. Nadi means it is different from nerve. Nerve is in the physical body. Nadi is in the astral body. It is a tube, astral tube, unseen tube, present in the astral body, which is also unseen. But many of the portions of this astral body now you are able to see through a Kirlian camera. So in this Susumna Nadi, inside that is another Nadi called Chitra Nadi. When you do this Shaktipat Yoga, when the energy goes and touches this, what we call this Chitra Nadi, there is one Chitra Nadi, 5 colors will be seen when you practice this yoga, where when you close the eyes you can see. And when you further continue, the energy will flow into the this Vajra Nadi. It is just like this lightning you will have experience when the energy touches the Nadi. Then it goes to Brahma Nadi. Within that is the Adharas. When you convert the energy passes through these Adharas, or when you convert the Adhara upward, make it upward, the energy will start blow. The chakra will be formed. The universal energy, the Panchabhuta energy will go around this and the Kundalini will cross this chakra. This is the process. When it passes those Susumna Nadi, particularly through Brahma Nadi, you will be elevated in your consciousness, in your energy level. That is Arogya, Ananda and Aishwarya. In the Shaktipat yoga, if you do, first you will get Arogya. The energy process by step, your endocrine glands related in that area will be activated. Muladhara, testes, then Suyasana, gonads, then adrenal gland, Manipura, Anagada. In this this thymus in another area, thyroid, parathyroid in Visuddhi area. Likewise, the endocrine glands will get this universal energy. When they get this energy, their function will be better. Even you can cure diseases. So this is their first level. The Shaktipat yoga gives you health. When the endocrine glands are working properly, and pituitary gland is a master gland, when it works, you will develop self-healing power. The pineal gland will tend to be your doctor. It will change the endocrine secretion formula, and this change will cure any kind of disease, including cancer, and many persons are cured and given record also. This is so, the Shaktipat yoga is a spiritual exercise. It is not only a physical exercise, but the first level this gives health improvement. Then it gives ananda. Ananda means bliss. When you rise from one chakra to another, you will be elevated emotionally, mentally, spiritually. You will reach higher planes and consciousness and higher heights. Then you will see the world in different angle, better angle, positive angle. Your reaction to men and matter will be better. Then you will shine in your life, in the spiritual life or material life. You can decide. And this improvement will be there, and you will enjoy bliss. Bliss is ordinary happiness into 1,000 times bliss. This we will start receiving in the mind, this intellect, everything, and including the physical body. The cells in the physical body will receive this blissful experience. The Vyana energy in your body will receive this blissful energy in each cell. And this, what we call the Devadattan, will distribute the energy all over your body. So the blissful experience will be transferred from mind to pranic layer to physical body also. That is why Patanjali Rishi also defended Siram Sukham Asana. Even in asana, if you remain for a particular period, that is called Asana Siddhi. Many persons are not able to sit for 3 minutes. If you take time, if you practice, and if you are able to sit in the asana for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, then you will enjoy bliss. Every cell will be induced with the bliss. So bliss means it is not only a mental state, it is a spiritual, and it is coming and filling up your brain also intellectually. It comes down and fills up in your mental layer. It comes down and fills up your pranic layer. You will get a prana flow in your body will be high when the bliss is experienced in your body. And finally it enters the physical body. When it enters the physical body, each cell will be rejuvenated. Each cell in your body will receive the cosmic energy. The mitochondria which produce this biocurrent and ATP, they stop producing biocurrent using the food, water and oxygen, and can receive and convert the spiritual energy into ATP. So the diet will come down. They say yogi normally takes one time food, because when this conservation of energy happens, it goes to the level of cell biology. It makes changes in this, even genetic problem will be solved. So this is the use of Shaktipat yoga. Mere touching many times ditches, because if the energy flow is not, it will create problem for you. You can see in YouTube somebody touching and their Shaktipat is dangerous, because you are trembling, because there are lot of blocks in your pathway, Sushumna. So you do this Shaktipat yoga slowly, safely, as prescribed, as mentioned by, explained by Saint Tirumular. In the same way, what is Kundalini? Kundalini is maintained as coiled, and why it is coiled? Because its length, if you condense it, it becomes coiled. And it is sleeping in our yes, it is dormant. When you activate this will start moving upward. So when you move upward, one adhara to another adhara, you will transcend 5 elements. Earth element, when you transcend Mooladhara, you will transcend the earth elements. Even the health related regarding the earth element portion of your body will be better. Earth element Mooladhara is in control of bone, nerve, muscles, skin and hair. All will be cleansed and strengthened when you cross Mooladhara. This is the health portion. Then if you cross Swadhisthana, you will be elevated emotionally and spiritually. Then the body level also, your blood, this urine, this kaba or water contents in your body will be cleansed. When you cross this Manipuraha, your emotionally, the spiritual level is also there. And the Agni, Kama Agni, Koba Agni and Jadara Agni, 3 Agnis will be set right. Digestive Agni looks after your digestive system. Koba Agni, the anger will come under control. Kama Agni, excessive Kama will be controlled and you will have only normal position you will occupy. It will promote your spiritual growth. Then if you go to Anahata, your breathing capacity will increase. Your lung capacity will be increased. In addition to mind reading power or spiritual. But this increases. So this capacity increases, you will take more oxygen and you will try absorb more iron, your hemoglobin will absorb more oxygen. Then if you go to Visuddhi, you will develop a communication skill. Communication skill is in 2 forms. Communication with the humans, communication with the astral body, ghosts. Somebody calls ghosts or aliens or somebody you will be able to communicate if you activate better. If you have to activate this Visuddha Chakra, activate Udana and activate these nadis. The Singhavai Nadi, if you activate it, will give you develop your communication skill with in all levels. This is present in Shakti Yoga. You cannot get this activation in any yoga centers. These are very important for the Shakti path yoga practitioners. Then above this, if you go to this Ajna, then intuition you will get. Not only that, you will get connected with the universe. In the universal, this is divided to this. When Ajna level, you are connected to Andam, the solar system. When you go to Sahasrara, and you will be connected with the Under Andam, Pair Andam. That is the eternal cosmos. Below, above this one solar system, there will be multi-solar system. The merger of Atman with the Shiva, the final energy, happens in that area only. Moreover, Aishwarya will also be improved in the Shaktipat Yoga because Aishwarya remains in Mooladhara and Swadhisthana. Mooladhara represents earth and water represents is there in Swadhisthana in principle level. Mooladhara earth means why earth is there in the form of smell, color, red, brown and mandra lam. What is there in the color orange or white or in the mandra level 1. So when you increase these combinations, the combination of earth and water, this is wealth. You are having a plantation, that is a combination of earth and water. If you have 100 acres estate and no water, no yield will be there. So combination of earth and water is wealth. Liquid gold, this is a wealth in the form of liquid. Oil countries are tapping the oil below the earth and they are living. After 40 years, what will they do? They don't know. But India will survive. So this gold, silver, everything is the part of earth. So wealth is a different combination of this earth and water. If you activate this Mooladhara and Swadhisthana, there are different levels biological level, endocrine level, this Adhara level, then the Vayu level. Nadi should be opened, mantra should be chanted to our need, and this combination will open up wealth for you. The block in you will be opened, and thereby you will be connected with the financial world. Financial improvement will come automatically. These are the importance of the Shaktipat Yoga. In ordinary yoga, ordinary asana, pranayama, you cannot get this. You cannot combine all these things. In this Shaktipat Yoga, you can combine different things and you can enshrine different types of these devis in your chakras. Chakras are actually yantras. So, you will elevate yourself in all levels. This is available in Shaktipat. This Shaktipat Yoga I am conducting class. Those who want may contact me. I am conducting online classes also. My classes are not mere classes, they are workshops. Result oriented workshops. For all my exercises, you will develop minimum 3, 4, 5, 8 results. Based on the results, you can put mark for your own this practice, and you can assess you at different points of time. This yoga we have to promote, do, and be successful in life, improve health, improvement in wealth and bliss. This is the motto of this Shaktipat Yoga. Those who need, contact me. Thank you.